All right. Oh my goodness, this is the one I didn't like with the hair. I'm not sure why customers they don't remove their own hair. I don't need this hair. Okay. So right off the bat, I see there's lots of insulation on this board, and what I'm going to do, this is not necessary to do. I'm not sure why the customer did all this, maybe for himself, but you can just do it, you know, take a picture of the wiring, and that would make life much easier. There's lots of insulation. Looks like it's a Japanese product or Chinese, and because I see lots of Chinese letters or Japanese, I'm not sure exactly, but what I'm trying to say is that those boards might be a little tricky to fix. The reason behind it is parts might be obsolete even for the relays. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove let me just find my screwdriver. This one, I think. Yeah, usually when they put lots of silicone like this, that's a bad sign already. We'll see what I can find on the other side. This control board is from a snowblower, and I'm going to see what's going on here. Customer complained that something is not right, and he thinks this is the problem with the control board. We don't need this right now. Let's diagnose it. It's really hard to diagnose it when you have all those notes. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with the relay. We have one relay here. Let's test the relay. This is probably the main relay for the motor, and let's see if we have any. 638 ohms, good. Okay. Up. Okay, it's around 14 amps. This relay has 8 legs. Let's see, maybe the relay here is kaput. No, that's good. This relay is good. Let's check this relay on this side. Okay, this relay for some reason doesn't want to open. Where's the coil? The coil is on this side, so all good. Yeah, I think this relay is busted. 1.385 kilo ohms. What is this? Wheel motor. So this relay is, I think, malfunction. This relay is good. Chat motor. This relay is good, but this relay, I think it's not a good relay. Let me see if I can. But this is the coil for sure on this side. And this coil is 1.388 kilo ohms, and this coil is 1.4. So they pretty much the same. The only difference is, as you can see, this relay is actually working. You can hear it. This one not working. So I think we have a bad relay right here. Yeah, right here. This is not a good relay. So we need this relay replaced. I'm gonna check all those components as well. It's quite hard to check, but we have a bad relay right here. This guy. That's not a good relay. This is a relay, looks like from a motor, from a wheel motor. So for sure this relay is no good. Now let's test the other components. $34. $100 kilo ohms. 100 kilo ohms. 100 kilo ohms. 100. Yeah. Yeah. 36. Going up to 52. What about this one? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna test all these guys right here, and they tested good. I'm gonna have to test the other side, but yeah, we have a bad relay here on the motor, and this most likely the issue with this controller. I'm going to replace the relay if I can find it, and it should be all good to go. This is for a snow blower. Everything else seems to be okay. I'm gonna keep testing this side as well, but yeah, we have a bad relay and it should fix the problem. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care. Bye.